go through so much school in our life. I did a master's. I did bioengineering. I did a master's in bioengineering, and I went and got an MBA. And that took like up and through like my 30s that we've been learning. And these AI are learning these things in like weeks, studying the entirety of what has been written by humans, learned it in weeks, and now has access to all human knowledge ever created. Because if you think about it, language is the first code that was ever written for the human brain. It's the most ancient code. It's a coding language. Language is the way that one human encodes his knowledge, transmits it to another human via sound waves. That human decodes that back into knowledge. Language is the original code for the human brain. That's why politicians can control people so well. They're literally hackers. They know how to hack brains. They know what words work and in what order. In that sense, they're really good AI. So if they have access to the entirety of human language, then they have access to the entirety of human knowledge, because within all that language is encoded all the knowledge that humanity has ever created, from smelting iron. Like, how much technology did that leap allow? Somebody had to figure out how to work metal. I mean, that's already such a gigantic technological advancement that led to all of this, you know? But like, all of that was encoded in language and passed on to future generations so that we didn't have to relearn how to smelt iron, and that we can build off of that. So if you've read everything ever written by humans, then you have theoretically all the knowledge that we've ever created encoded in language. And if you could decode that knowledge out of that language, then you would have access to all the knowledge ever created by humans. And that is this AI. And if it's that fucking smart, then we should learn from it.